Yeah, so I'm supposed to almost goes on this one. Okay, I did it off the camera, but I was already getting worried that I wouldn't be able to get this off this tip, because I don't need this tip over here, and so for some reason they put it so tight. Had to use pliers to pull it off. Alright, so let's compare the mechanisms. There is one difference that I see. You see, this one has a stop, right? So that this wouldn't turn past this point. They have this. This one on the first sight doesn't have that stop, right? But it does, because this part, this is the part that is bent, so I'm gonna bend it identical to this one. Oh, maybe I should hold it this way, yeah. So I'm gonna bend this part upward here, and I will have a stop just like here. And the size, everything seems to be identical. And let's see if it works. Okay, and this is good. I just noticed a major difference between those. Looks like they're made major difference. Look at the sprocket wheel. I mean the wheel with the teeth. Over here is large, and down here is a, well, look at the difference. See? I think this is to compensate for a different wheel sizes. So okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna count how many turns I take to how many turns this takes. Okay, I don't know. This is real saga over here. Okay, minimum speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 4. Okay, minimum speed over here. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's double check this one again. 1, 2, what? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. It's not a scientific. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So what I'm planning to do, I'm gonna replace just this faulty part, this long bar. So I'll have to remove this somehow, and at this point I don't care if I damage the rest of the mechanism. fixed, but fixed with complications, or rather in a way that I did not expect it to get fixed. And the original plan was that I will take this cluster, the one that I bought, and the one that reads in miles, and I will replace just this part with the counter. But then I realized that the teething is slightly different, so basically this speedometer would have been lying on my scooter, and I think the reason why the gearing is different on this one is because it's from a scooter that uses smaller wheels. Mine's are 13-inch rims, and this must be maybe from 10-inch wheels, or there is 12-inch. So that part I didn't consider when I bought this cluster. But since I couldn't find that Falcon cluster anywhere, even at the place where I bought the scooter, I had to improvise, and eventually I just took that long gearing bar that was skipping on my original odometer, so I just took that and installed it in a place of that gear, and it worked. So there is no more skipping and everything is fine. It's just kinda expensive, most expensive plastic gearing piece you can buy, and comes with other accessories that are totally useless to me. I'm gonna go and install it. At least I know that the accuracy will be exactly the same as it was originally, because I just changed that gear, which is identical to this one.
Расслабился, так сказать, и стал веселым.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that completes the repair. Everything's put back together, everything works. So, success. Everybody have a great day. Bye bye.